make a wish and look up to the sky.
The magic is here. Every day we celebrate the magic we feel.